Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some clay with my sister Dee. And we're gonna learn about colors with my sister. We're gonna use home ingredients to make our clay. We got flour, salt, water, and oil. We have red, blue, purple, orange. We're gonna mix our ingredients. We're first gonna add the flour, then the salt, water, then oil. I'm gonna get this flour. Now we're gonna mix the ingredients with our hands. Okay, now we're gonna net it our dough.
That's nice.
Okay, here you go, Dindin. This is the fun part. We're gonna add our colors. Now we're gonna separate it into 4 balls. We have 4 balls. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drops on each ball. We have 4 drops. First one, it is purple. Now we're gonna add blue. Next, we're gonna put our drops. Oh. Blue one looks like in the purple. Now I'm gonna do orange next. It looks so squishy. On the flower you go. Now we're gonna add red. Red. It looks so red. This is how the red one looks. These are how they look. We have purple, blue, orange, and red. And then we're gonna put them in the freezer to dry up. We'll be back to check on them in 30 minutes. To get all of the colors we have and match them with our emeralds. We have orange, red, blue, purple. Now I'm gonna do our emerald. Okay, so we have red, pink and pink. Green we don't need. Blue. Orange. Now let's make some shapes with our clay. First I'm gonna do blue. Let's do a cookie. It's upside down. Now take off. I'm gonna use the rocket chip for my clay. Well, I'm gonna make a handprint. Well, can we mix some colors? Can we mix them? I'm gonna mix some orange and red to see what color that makes. Ooh, it's turning light pinkish. We have light pink. Light pink and blue. Light pink and blue. I need a little more orange. Could I borrow this for my experiment? Ooh, this is gonna be a little crazy. I'll make the bottom. Ooh, look at it! Then I can have some right here. No, it's mine! I'll try and get some of it out. You can only get this much out. It goes in there. Yes, it's snowman.
Yes, look at the snowman.
Nemo. Mommy, Nemo.
Another ball for her snowman.
I can't. I only have these. Okay. I'll make a ball. Wow. A red ball. It goes in there. Here's your ball. Still trying to bury this. Well, I'll add a little more orange.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at my hands, guys.
Oh
No! Let's get the emeralds out. I got one! I made a rainbow one. It's all the colors of the rainbow. Open mine. Open mine, then. Open it. Yeah. Oh. An emerald! Ooh, this is making a grayish color.
Yeah, it's one deer.
Woohoo!
I made a circle. I have a treasure hunt. Can someone give me a colored Play-Doh that I can use? Now I'm gonna make some shapes.
Awesome!
I'm making this skull even creepier. Yeah, guys. Look, I made my skull creepy.
You need to do it.
I want to make now a star. Now I'm gonna make some shapes. Now I'm gonna make a hippopotamus and an elephant. See, watch.
Wow!
Now I'm gonna make a spaceship and a house.
Wow! Just wow!
So which is ready. I want to make my spaceship. The last one I'm gonna make is a huge heart. It's too sticky for me. Okay, got it. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.